Alrighty, well, I figured since I didn't actually film an intro earlier, sorry about that, I just voice over me struggling to get across this log bridge. So, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I am actually currently on the adventure course, but the next clip you're going to see is me horse riding, which I actually did earlier. It was a super fun ride, I had a ton of fun, and it was a really awesome experience. So, why don't you go ahead and watch that right now. Now that you've seen that, let's get back to what's actually happening to me right now. That made it sound way more dramatic than it actually is. I am on the ropes course, and there is 2 lines, difficult and expert, that I'm going on. So this should be fun because the next obstacle is to walk across the lake. Oh crap. Oh Jesus. Oh my god. Oh, you're gonna have a fun time with this one. Oh, it's bouncing. What? You have to re-clip here. Jesus. Yeah, you have to re-clip right here. Ah! Ah! Oh my! Gwyneth, stop moving! Just gotta go. Go for it. Oh my god, I've made it. Hello, everyone. Now that I've successfully surpassed that one, I'm onto the footbridge with holes. It's a long way down. Oh god. Don't like it when the cable swings. Oh, and this is one thing that makes this course different from Bali. You have to re-clip mid-course. See, I can't get my carabiner around that. I have to actually put it on the other line, standing 40 feet in the air on like a little plank bolted to a cable. Oh jeez. Oh, and again. The stirrups are super hard. Alright, so that right there over there is black. That is the hardest line we're going to do second. This one starts with a zip line, and we're going to do it right now. Also, I'm sorry if there's a bunch of other background sounds. I have to mute the audio because boost the audio because I'm using the waterproof case for this, and the GoPro's microphone is obviously muffled. Alright, here we go. Red course. Let's do it. Oh, heck no. Ow. Just being up here in the trees like this is always so cool. Just barely hanging in there. If you wanted to know where we were staying in, these are very similar. Not exactly similar because they are in a different place and they're different models, but we're pretty much staying in one of these little mobile homes, and we are actually, depending on where we're, so we're up there a bit, and then you turn right and 4 cabins down. We are that one. Alright, ready? See you guys on the other side. I don't know. Cool. Oh, it's a pendulum, Mom. You might want to video this. Oh my god. What? It's monkey bars. Oh, Jesus.